Hi friends, this is Ramya from Wild Turmeric. Today I'm going to make a very nutritious and very tasty laddu that is rich in protein, calcium and iron. For that, take a cup of sprouted ragi flour. Now add in a tablespoon of ghee in a pot. Add in the ragi flour and fry continuously for a few minutes till it changes color slightly and there is no raw smell left. Take care not to burn the flour. Sprouted ragi flour is a rich source of calcium, protein, iron, and essential vitamins and minerals, very important for healthy hair and skin. Since it is sprouted, it is also easier to digest. Once done, remove from the flame. Add it to a pounding stone or in a mixer jar. Now fry half cup of freshly grated coconut till there is no moisture left. Add it to the pounding stone too. Now add in half cup of finely grated jaggery or brown sugar. Pound well. Pounding helps release the oil from the coconut and softens the brown sugar. This will help reduce the usage of ghee later. Pound till the mixture holds shape. You can do this in a mixie too. Take the pounded mixture in a wide bowl. Now take quarter cup of white sesame seeds and fry well till it slightly changes color. Sesame seeds are also a rich source of protein, calcium and iron, and they give a wonderful crunch to the laddus. Once done, add to the ragi mixture. Add warm melted ghee enough to form into laddus. If you're suffering from hair fall due to nutritional deficiencies, have one of these daily. This is also an excellent snack for kids. I have tried this with melted jaggery syrup too, but the laddus were dry, so I would suggest this method. If you don't have sprouted ragi flour, you can use regular ragi flour too. I have added half cup of brown sugar here. You can increase or decrease as per your preference, and try your best to use organic jaggery or brown sugar so there are no impurities. Just because it is made from ragi flour, please don't think it won't taste good. People won't even be able to find out that it is made from ragi. It tastes that good. This will last well at room temperature for a week or more. Do give it a try without fail. I hope you found this video useful. If you like to support me in this channel, please share this video with your friends. It'll mean a lot to me. If you like to get detailed information about herbs on days I don't post videos, press the notification button. Thank you for watching this video.